2022 Lexus RX. Starting at $46,395. Highs. Surprisingly fuel efficient, plenty of standard safety tech, very comfortable ride. Lows. Annoying infotainment touchpad, relaxed driving demeanor doesn't match aggressive styling, slightly slower than rival SUVs. Verdict. Despite its sporty appearance, the RX SUV lacks the athleticism we like in its European rivals. Overview. Lexus sells some sporty, fun-to-drive cars, but the 2022 RX isn't one of them. Despite its aggressive styling and available F-Sport model, the RX is a big softy that delivers a creamy ride and two fuel-efficient powertrain offerings. A 3.5-liter V6 is standard, but you can upgrade to a hybrid powertrain that makes 308 horsepower and delivered 31 mpg highway during our testing. The standard RX is a 2-row, 5-seat affair, but there's also an extended-length L model that seats up to 7 riders across 3 rows. Inside, the RX offers a plush cabin with plenty of technology features and premium finishes appropriate for the segment of compact luxury SUVs. If you're looking for smooth riding luxury with a practical twist, the RX is a great option, but there's more fun to be had with one of the Lexus's European rivals. What's new for 2022? The RX receives only minor changes for 2022, including newly standard fog lamps and a trio of new colors: Cloudburst Gray, Iridium, and Grecian Water. The Black Line Special Edition models return for 2022 with another 2,500 limited examples, all sporting darkened exterior trim, black wheels, and a matching Zero Halliburton luggage set. Pricing and which one to buy. RX 350. $46,395. RX 450h. $49,095. RX 350L. $49,125. RX 350F Sport. $49,875. RX 450HL. $52,485. RX 450HF Sport. $52,575. The F Sport models look the coolest, in our opinion, so we'd go with a lightly optioned RX 350F Sport. Of the RX's many option packages, we'd keep it simple and add only the navigation package. It features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display, in-dash navigation, a DVD/CD player, and a 12-speaker audio system. Lexus hasn't released official pricing yet, so we've estimated that above. Engine, transmission, and performance. Buyers can have their RX in 2 distinct flavors. Models badged RX 350 are powered by a 3.5-liter V6, while the RX 450h comes with the V6 plus 2 electric motors. Our RX 350 test vehicle was equipped with all-wheel drive and managed an adequate but slow for the segment run of 6.9 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The RX 450h is one of the segment's few hybrids, but it too required longer than average to reach 60 mph from rest. What the RX does best is ride comfortably. It irons out rough stretches of road and delivers a compliant ride. The cabin remains quiet and well isolated from the road, making the RX an excellent long-distance cruiser. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel efficiency is where the RX shines, and not just because it's offered with an optional hybrid powertrain that's rated as high as 31 mpg city and 28 mpg highway. The non-hybrid RX 350 doesn't look all that efficient on paper, with front-wheel drive models earning ratings of 20 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. In the real world, however, both the RX 350 and the RX 450h outperformed their EPA ratings, with each posting 31 mpg on our 200-mile highway fuel economy test. For more information about the RX's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Lexus has chosen fine materials for the RX's interior, including soft leather, textured metallic or wood trims, and soft touch plastics. The driving position is comfortable and easy to settle into, but the interior is marred by a few ergonomic missteps. The tuning knob for the radio is a long, awkward reach from the driver's seat, and the infotainment system is operated by an irritatingly inaccurate controller just aft of the shifter. Luckily, Lexus has added touchscreen capability to the RX's infotainment system. While it's not quite the cargo hauling champ, the RX came close, holding just one less carry-on suitcase behind its rear seats than the victorious Cadillac XT5. With its second row folded, a process done either from the side door or from the cargo area, the RX matched the XT5 with 24 cases. Folding the seats does not yield a completely flat load floor. Infotainment and connectivity. We found the Inform infotainment system difficult to use while driving, but it comes standard with many of the automotive world's most modern and sought-after features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and onboard Wi-Fi are all included. An 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen comes standard, but upgrading to the 12.3-inch display not only provides a wider viewing screen, it also adds in-dash navigation, a 12-speaker audio system, a 9-speaker setup is standard, a DVD/CD player, and access to the Lexus Inform app suite. This collection of apps provides access to emergency assistance as well as limited internet connectivity from the infotainment system. A 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system is also optional, as is a rear seat entertainment system with wireless headphones and dual 11.6-inch monitors. Safety and driver assistance features. Standard driver assistance features add more incentive to buy, but a more comprehensive offering of standard driver aids could move the RX higher in this segment. For more information about the RX's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Lexus offers a limited warranty that matches most of its rivals in this segment and a powertrain warranty that surpasses many. Hybrid components get longer coverage, however, complimentary scheduled maintenance lasts only 1 year, whereas the XT5 and the Volvo XC60 both offer lengthier terms. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles. Hybrid components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles.